Assalamu alaikum everyone, and let's talk about Pepe one more time. So inverse head and shoulder retest looks like a little bit of a failure going on in here because yeah, it's quite concerning. So you can see that you have your first touch rejection to the downside, one touch here, a rejection down, one touch there, rejection down, and break above, but still couldn't quite hold the retest. That's a little bit concerning. Let's just hope that this is a fake out and you start to pump from here and you probably start to push even a little bit higher. It's clearly an inverse head and shoulder, but the break is not quite convincing at the moment. You can see that if you zoom in on the neckline right here, yesterday there was pretty much some 2-3 confirmation right there, but you ended up coming down still, some sort of a fake out right there, or maybe just a very weak retest right here. So it could be a good idea to see if Pepe can actually try to climb up again. Now, thing is, it doesn't really end there. Okay, it doesn't really stop there because Pepe it doesn't really mean that Pepe is looking quite bad just yet. For some reason on the daily, it's actually a little bit of a area. So I'm just gonna drop it like I'm just gonna take the rectangle here, and we go from there to there, and we actually draw this right over down here. Okay, so yeah, we're taking the bodies in again, and it does look like you may still be safe all the way up until down to 12,833. So all of this is an area. All of this does look like pretty much a place that you're breaking above and you're coming in for the retest. So it's pretty much like left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break above, come down, and if you're inside this whole box, that's pretty much okay. I kind of think that's okay because I don't really see it being a thin line like this anymore. I kind of see it to be like a whole area of a demand and resistance and support, whatever. So to me, I'm looking for the destruction of the right shoulder. Okay, if you destroy the right shoulder, you are pretty much looking for Pepe to start to correct down from that point onwards. If you're not going to do that, then you pretty much should be going up to 20,000. That should be a technical target right there. Okay, so I cannot really say that it's bad. It's not really bad. And secondly, you see, if you do end up going to 10,000 as well, that's where you're also coming underneath this whole area. So basically even touching 12,000 is going to still be okay because you got this resistance, break above, you come for the support, that's also okay. Now if you end up still coming down to 10k, that means a lot of things. It really means a lot of things. For example, inverse head and shoulder destroyed, bullish rectangle destroyed, the support and resistance, which is this line here, is failing, and from that point onwards things are going to flip the other way around. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.